एमएलए डॉक्टर भारतीताई लवेकर जी, जिन्होंने अपना कीमती वक्त निकालकर एच सैलड बार एंड कैफ़े का इनॉग्रेशन करने के लिए आई हुई है। मैडम बहुत सारी लेडीज़ को सपोर्ट करती हैं और आज मैं उनसे यही एक मैसेज पूछना चाहती हूँ, जो एक एडवाइस, ये डायरेक्टर है, शी इज़ श्वेता एंड अर्पणा, जो इस कैफ़े की डायरेक्टर्स हैं। मैडम, आप इन लोगों को कुछ सलाह या मैसेज कुछ देना चाहेंगी?
श्वेता और अपर्णा, इन दोनों को मैं पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस करूँगी, क्योंकि उन्होंने ऐसा रेस्टोरेंट खोला है कि कोरोना के बाद जिस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, हेल्दी फूड, उन्होंने शुरू किया है। मुझे लगता है पूरे मुंबई में ऐसा रेस्टोरेंट मुझे नहीं लगता कहीं होगा, क्योंकि अभी हमने टेस्ट किया तो बहुत ही अच्छा था और हेल्दी फूड है। और कोरोना के बाद जो हमें प्रिकॉशंस लेनी है, वो सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे माइन्यूटली सब देख के की जा रही है। तो दोनों लेडीज़ हैं, बहुत अच्छा एक उन्होंने उपक्रम यहाँ पे शुरू किया है और मेरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में किया है। मैं उनका स्वागत करती हूँ और पूरी तरह से ऐसे ही काम करते जाओ, हम आपके साथ में हैं, यही मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ।
धन्यवाद मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। Good evening, myself Chaitali Chatterjee from Shriyam Communications and Solutions. First of all, I would like to thank directors of Happy and Healthy Salad Bar and Cafe for giving Shriyam Communications and Solutions the opportunity to associate with you. Most welcome to both of you and congratulations for your opening today, H&H Cafe, Salad Bar and Cafe. We have Arpana Mishra and Shweta ji over here, who are directors of the cafe. First of all, I would like to ask Shweta, how did this idea came into mind to start this happy and healthy cafe?
See, for me, it has always been my dream to open up a cafe of my own. But you know how it is, my family background, we are all into education, and almost every second person becomes a doctor or an engineer. And I also was a corporate trainer, so it gets difficult to get diverted and go into a field which is completely new, not only for you but your entire family. But then what happened is, I met my better half, I would say, and she had such a strong concept of guilt-free eating. And when the two of us got together, and during this lockdown, our idea, we brainstormed so much, and finally this is what we came up with. So that is, how H&H came into picture.
Superb. I have a question for Arpana. You had been working with multinational banks for quite a long time. How are you feeling as an entrepreneur today?
As an entrepreneur, really to say, this is like my dream coming true. And when your dream comes true, you're the most happiest person, because this was the thing which I was dreaming since last so many years. I was into health since childhood, and what I thought that I am going to create the dishes and I'm going to give those dishes to the public's health as well, wherein they can also benefit by eating this. And yes, corporate job was really not very exciting, but this is really exciting us to move further and further. Now, we are really excited to open this.
Super. So I would like to ask Shweta, what's the USP of your cafe?
I would say, if you see, we have dishes like something like pizza, that a normal person would say, they would associate this with unhealthy food or junk food. But this taste is so, we really, when we go out, we definitely devour on pizzas. But then we feel so guilty after eating it. So we came with the same concept and probably better taste. I would like people to come and try this. And after eating this, you will completely be guilt-free, because there is no maida, there is no preservatives, nothing. This is absolutely healthy, and you are getting your, like our tagline says, taste be or health be. So that is a USP.
Super. Viewers, I have tasted this pizza. This is amazing, very tasty and very healthy as well. I would like to ask you, what have you planned that you would be offering your customers? Something unique, something special.
So the speciality of this restaurant is this is going to cater each and every category of the people. So if for example, if someone is only going for a vegan pizza or maybe vegan salad, so we have multiple options for those things. We have keto desserts, we have healthy juices, we have different types of detox juices, which is actually a real detox juice which you will never and ever get in any of the cafe which is right now running. Nobody would be really thinking about in those lines. So our cafe is standing unique in this concept because of all these delicacies what we have designed, and we have actually this is coming from the heart, and I really want that each and every person should enjoy it.
Thank you so much. So viewers, I would invite you all. This is wonderful place, and yes, the food is super, very healthy. And important is there is car parking over here. It is just at the Versova metro station junction. And important, yes, very important. Car parking nahi milti hai. And of course the food. This is just awesome. You all must visit this cafe. And with this, I would like to end this. And thank you so much, both of you. Congratulations and all the best for your future.
Thank you so much.
Please do visit us. Thank you so much.